Mă întrebam dacă pot să iau direct pe Uber și să mă reprezint singur în instanță. Mă.
A reflexive pronoun meaning myself. Pronounced
Am.
like mă in English. It indicates the action is performed by and affects the subject. The speaker. Essential for forming reflexive verbs.
Întrebam.
The first person singular imperfect form of the verb.
A întreba.
To ask, wonder. Pronounced roughly as
Întrebam.
the
Înt.
sounds like int, but with a nasal n. It describes an action in progress in the past, suggesting a question posed earlier.
Dacă.
A conjunction meaning if, or, whether. Pronounced
ɪntreба.
introduces a conditional clause, expressing uncertainty or a hypothetical situation.
Pot.
The first person singular present form of the verb.
A putea.
To be able to, can. Pronounced
Pot.
similar to the English word. Indicates ability or possibility.
Să.
An infinitive marker. Pronounced like să in English. It precedes the infinitive verb form, indicating an action to be performed or a purpose.
I.
A dative pronoun meaning to them, him, pronounced I. It shows indirect object, the recipient of the action of taking.
Iau.
The first person singular present form of the verb.
A lua.
To take, pronounced
Io.
describes the act of taking someone.
Direct.
An adverb meaning directly. Pronounced
Direct.
modifies the verb,
Iau.
showing the manner of taking, without intermediaries.
Pe.
A preposition meaning on, by, or with, used with means of transportation. Pronounced
Pe.
here. It shows the mode of transportation.
Uber.
A proper noun referring to the ride-hailing service. Pronounced
Uber. Și.
a conjunction meaning and. Pronounced
I.
like she in English. Connects two clauses, adding a further action.
Să.
An infinitive marker. Pronounced like să in English. Same as above, introduces another infinitive verb.
Mă.
A reflexive pronoun meaning myself. Pronounced
Am.
like mă in English. Same as above, used in a reflexive verb.
Reprezint.
The first person singular present form of the verb.
A reprezenta.
To represent. Pronounced
Reprezint.
describes the act of representing oneself.
Singur.
An adjective meaning alone or single. Pronounced
Sinur.
modifies the pronoun,
Mă.
indicating the speaker is representing themselves without assistance.
În.
A preposition meaning in, pronounced
In.
indicates location, shows the location of the representation, court.
Instanță.
A noun meaning court of law, pronounced
Enestanț.
refers to the legal context of the representation. Putting it together.
Mă întrebam dacă pot să iau direct pe Uber și să mă reprezint singur în instanță.
Means, I was wondering if I can take them directly by Uber and represent myself in court. Writ. Expresses uncertainty about whether the speaker can both use Uber to transport someone and represent themselves legally.